It's official. Meghan and Harry left homeless as judge confiscates $14 million Sussex mansion. You lose. The legal battle over Prince Harry's U.S. visa has caused uncertainty about his residency in the United States. If his lawsuit demanding the release of his visa records is successful, Prince Harry could face severe consequences, including deportation. This outcome will force him to leave his £12 million mansion in Montecito, where he lives with his wife, Meghan, and their children. The Heritage Foundation's legal action against the Department of Homeland Security seeks access to Harry's visa records, with a U.S. judge currently assessing the case. In his autobiography Spare, published in 2023, Harry revealed drug testing in his youth, raising concerns about the accuracy of his visa application. The revelation prompted calls for transparency over whether Harry declared his past drug use and raised questions about his basis of residence in the United States based on regulations surrounding drug-related violations. Harry's admission to using substances such as cannabis, magic mushrooms, and cocaine as a coping mechanism after Diana's death has sparked speculation about potential consequences, including the possibility of rejection to obtain U.S. citizenship in the future. Commentator Richard Fitzwilliams highlighted the potential embarrassment Harry could face if discrepancies were discovered in his visa application relating to his drug use. The issue prompted discussion about perceived double standards and whether Harry received preferential treatment despite his admission. Renewing Harry's visa in the future could also pose challenges, with concerns about the impact of his past actions on his residency status. Furthermore, there are concerns surrounding Harry possibly pursuing U.S. citizenship, which would force him to give up his British royal title to comply with the Oath of Allegiance. Ingrid Seward, editor-in-chief of Majesty magazine, highlighted the significant implications of the decision, suggesting Harry may not fully grasp the implications of giving up his royal title in exchange for citizenship. Recent rumors suggest that Meghan Markle has faced rejection when seeking a significant loan to purchase a new place. Although the veracity of this information is debated, it is consistent with two main observations: the possibility that she and Harry may not have been reflecting together, and her dire financial situation. Her supposed reaction to this rejection may have been the resentment and wounded pride characteristic of narcissistic injury. Instead of introspecting or encouraging her role in this predicament, she tends to externalize the blame and lash out at the lending institution, further deepening the victim mentality. Ultimately, Meghan's financial troubles stem from her own behavior. Her sense of entitlement, combined with a lack of foresight and accountability, led to this unfortunate situation. However, her narcissism prevented her from taking responsibility or learning from her mistakes. Instead, she continued to blame external factors and cling to delusions of grandeur. Until she confronts these underlying issues, a cycle of financial instability and emotional turmoil will likely persist. Furthermore, there are signs of financial strain for Harry and Meghan. Although the specifics of their financial situation are unknown, it is clear that they lack regular employment or steady income. Although they have struck lucrative deals in the past, there appear to be no recent projects or earnings in the pipeline. Meanwhile, they continue to incur significant expenses, including security costs, lavish purchases, and lavish lifestyles. Despite occasional efforts to ensure free goods and services, overhead costs do persist. Therefore, it's reasonable to infer that financial troubles are stalking them due to entitlement and a mistaken belief in endless support and opportunities.